Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make something super cute for Easter. How adorable is this? Isn't it crazy how Easter's tomorrow? Well, I guess it depends when you're watching this, but when I upload this, it's gonna be tomorrow. It's insane to me because with this quarantine, it's just like all the days are blending together. It's weird. It's a weird time right now, guys. I am ready for Easter, you guys. Not really. So in the spirit of Easter, I decided to wear my most Easterous dress. I like to call this my couch dress because if I just stand still at a specific angle, you think I'm a couch cover. I thought a super cute project you guys could do at home would be to make hand soap. That's right, guys. I've already done a hand soap video before, link in the iCard above, but that was foaming soap. And this is gonna be actually like a bar of soap because I found these cute silicones. Look at this, guys. It's a bunny silicone mold. How adorable is this? We're gonna use these cute little molds of, I can't even see if you guys could see them. Can you see them? How adorable they are. But you could use other silicone molds. As long as it's silicone, it's fine. There's so many different molds that you could get. The most popular, I would say, is a big brick one, which I think it's like 4 molds in one. But I recently found some brick mold ones that have like a design. So when you take out the soap, it has an imprint of like a moon or a star on the soap, and I thought those were super cute. I'm gonna be using melt and pour. This is the easiest way to make soap, bars of soap, using an already ready to use pour and melt. This is pour and melt goat's milk. They have shea butter. I'm gonna just quit life. There's also a glycerin one, which is clear. I thought that one's super cool. I'm gonna have all these things that you could use to make soap linked down below, so you guys could see the different kinds of soap. But I think the glycerin is super cool because that's clear, so you can make a really cool galaxy looking soap. The reason that I choose goat's milk is because it is really good if you have eczema. It's fun. It's fun. So obviously you can make any combination soap that you want with whatever fragrance you want, with whatever additives that you want. There's so many recipes out on Pinterest. What I'm gonna make today is an vanilla pink Himalaya. If I don't say it like that dumb, it just can't come out of my mouth. Himalaya salt. The reason I chose vanilla. It's the end of the world as we know it. It's the end of the world as we... Anyways, I thought the pink salt would go really, really cute with this bunny. So all the salt is gonna fall to the bottom. So you're gonna see most of the salt on the bunny. I could be wrong, it could be hideous. So many different combinations. It's not good. Let's begin on today's tutorial. What you will need: a melt and pour pink sea salt, a mold, a container to melt your melt and pour, vanilla essential oil, and a little bit of alcohol. It depends on how much soap you wanna make. I don't wanna make a lot of soap, so I'm not gonna melt a lot because it's just gonna be Easter for a day. I just wanna make enough soap for at least 2 bars of soap. Maybe 4, but let's just do 2. I'm just gonna fill this up straight to the top, so I'm probably gonna just use 1/4 of this rock. No, don't crack. I know I should have gotten a spoon instead of a knife. Why do I make so many noises? Wow, it must be really hard to live with me. You guys too, do something new. With this whole quarantine, do something new, just one thing at least, that you would necessarily be scared to do. And I'm not saying go outside, but you know, something different. out of your comfort zone within your house, and you will feel so empowered, guys. Like, I could do anything, especially me. I've been in a funk, guys. I've been in a funk. All right, got my spoon. This is so hard. It's so cold in my house that I got so hard. I don't know if it froze, but that's not good. Duh. This is supposed to be the easy part. I'll tell you this much, because it is going into very small chunks, it will probably be a lot easier to melt. Okay, so that was a lot harder than I remembered. So I have it full. What happened is when I got this batch of melt and pour, I put it in my garage. My garage gets so cold, so it might have gotten too cold. That's why it didn't want to come out. I basically had to scrape it. Normally, you could just go in there with a knife and cut it and just scoop it out. It will be a lot easier. With mine, not so much. Make sure to keep things not places where they might freeze. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the microwave. Make sure whatever you do put in the microwave, it is microwave safe. You would think I don't have to say that, but I do. I'm gonna go ahead and put this 30 seconds at a time in the microwave. After 30 seconds, stir it up, pop it in for another 30 seconds until it is nice and melted. Once it's nice and melted, we could add all the fun stuff. So let's go to the microwave. I'm back with my melted concoction. I took like 2 minutes, and then there was a darn one in there that wouldn't want to melt, so it took me like 5 more seconds for that one. I'm gonna add a couple of drops of vitamin E beauty oil, and this is to make the skin soft. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead and put vanilla essential oils. I'm gonna put like 15 droplets. I'm just gonna add a little bit more because I like it really smelling like vanilla. So this is just the pink Himalaya from Trader Joe's, and the reason I have this one, it's because it's the grinder. But obviously for this, you want it to be the big chunks. Let's see how it looks with the grinder. Let's see. I'm gonna try it with the grinder, but no. Well, I'll do a couple of grinds just to give it the color. But what I'm really looking for is for the salt to go to the bottom. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour. A little tip. Make sure you open all your containers before your hands become too slippery. Got it! Just a little bit more, for good measure. I actually might want some more grinds. All right, now it's time to pour. So I'm gonna go grab my silicone, and I'm gonna pour a little bit first. And then I'm gonna just grab some of that salt and kind of spread it around. So the bunny ears has it and everything has it. So let me see. All right, so you're gonna see bubbles. Don't worry, guys, don't panic. You spray like 2 spritzes. Anyways, this will help with the bubbles. Like obviously you might still have some bubbles, but it alleviates a lot of the bubbles. So you could go ahead and just leave them outside to set. Obviously that's gonna take a lot longer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put these in the fridge so it's a quicker turnaround time so I could actually show you guys the finished product. So the moment of truth, I let these sit for 30 minutes. If you have the time, just let them sit out in a room. It's gonna take like 4 to 6 hours, but they recommend that. I don't know why, but it's highly recommended from people that do this as a job. So I'm really hoping it pops out right. Moment of truth. Oh my lord, how cute is this? Can you see it? I mean, it's white, so I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. I wanted the salt to be more prominent, but can you guys see? How cute is that? Now let's see if the other ones, this is the one that was like all white. Like I don't think I put any salt in this one. Ooh, that one came out so good. It looks more like the bunnies have like the measles, but it came out a lot cuter than I thought. This is a great thing to make and to give out, like to have in your house for a holiday or to give out as gifts for Christmas. So easy. If I could do it, you could do it. This is adorable. Look at, these are just all white. Oh yeah. Oh, it smells so good. Each of the type of soaps lather differently. The goat's milk lathers a lot more than say the clear one, the clearer soap. I love access. So I don't know if you guys want to see this, but I'm gonna add this clip of me using them so you can see how much they do lather up. With goat's milk, it's one of the ones that lathers a lot more than some of the other melt and pour bases. I believe the clear one is one of the least amount of. This is me washing my hands. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give that video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you guys are not subscribed already. See you guys next time.